Hey there, it's Cal and Duke from Alter Eco Clothing. I've changed my look recently. Notice anything different? That's right, I'm wearing my new over-the-knee boot socks, and I'm going to show you how you can make a pair yourself. You'll need a pair of mid-length warm socks, and you'll need the sleeves of a sweater, ideally one that's totally unsalvageable otherwise, or you're using the rest of it for another project. If the sleeves are not straight or they're very large, turn them inside out and sew them straight so that you have a tube. Keeping the sweater sleeve inside out, put the sock inside of it. With the raw edges of the sweater against the edge of the sock, pin them together, right sides to right sides, and sew along the edge. This is a great time to use a feature on your sewing machine made for sleeves. Turn your over-the-knee boot socks right side out, put them in your favorite boots, and rock out with your socks out. Well, I hope you enjoyed another how-to video. And as always, be good to yourself, be good to each other, and be good to the planet. And stay warm.